But first, let me pray to the iPhone gods. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I'm about to do this. I'm going to be replacing the screen on my phone. So if you're interested, just keep watching. Hi guys, so welcome back to another video. I'm doing something different. I am going to fix the screen on my phone. I have an iPhone XR, and as you see, the screen is cracked. It's very cracked, but that's not the worst part. When you click on the screen, do you see the discoloration on the screen? The black and these lines down here. But that's not even the worst part. See those lines that just pop up on the screen? Yeah, that happened today when I sat on my phone. So I was fine with my phone being cracked, but these lines on the screen, no, I'm not fond of. I'm going to be replacing the screen on my phone. So if you're interested, just keep watching, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. And if you have not already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. The items that I'm using to replace my screen are a blow dryer and the screen, of course. I got this off of Amazon. I cannot pronounce the name of the company, but I will have it down in the description box. As you see, I haven't opened this up yet. I've been sitting on this ever since I got it on Amazon Prime Day, and it's time for me to just fix my screen. These are all the items that come in the package, and these are all the items I'm going to use to replace my screen. They also provide a how-to video on replacing the screen. This is what I'm going to be using and referencing. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is show you guys my phone again. You see how cracked that is? And do you see what time it is? It is 7:12. Friday, July 9th. Just showing you guys that so you can see that I am actually doing this myself. Oh, I'm very nervous. But if I do this correctly, I will be saving so much money. I'm going to turn this off. Dog, I don't remember how to turn my phone off. I'm using this screwdriver with the yellow tail to remove the screws that's down here. That don't fit, and I really can't tell which screwdriver they use because it's not showing. There we go. So I'm using the screwdriver with the blue tail, and I'm going to make sure I put these in chronological order, the way that I take them out, so when it's time to put these back together, I know which order to put them in. I'm going to make sure I put the screw tool besides the screws that I took out as well, so it's not like a guessing game. I'm going to use my blow dryer, and I'm going to heat the adhesive glue. Okay, I think I did that for like 3 minutes. Now I'm going to take this suction. I hope you see this suction cup, and I'm going to push on the phone and get this blue thingy right here. I'll probably push down too hard. Ooh! goodness gracious. The edges of my screen, some of the sides are missing. So I have to be very careful. So I am like struggling on these. Oh, it broke. Guys, the thing broke. So I'm gonna heat the sides up again. The first time around, I had the setting on warm for the blow dryer. Now I have the setting on hot. Okay, so I have it open. The next thing that I'm going to do is remove these brackets right here. Each screw was a different size, so depending on the screw, you had to use a specific screwdriver. I did not realize that at first until I got done repairing the screen, which explains the different colors of the screws. Right here, I am trying to use the pink screw to remove the metal plates, but I had to use the yellow screwdriver instead. So I had to switch to the yellow bottom for that screw. Okay, now I'm going to use the tweezers to remove the brackets. Okay, I have to use this little blue spatula thingy. My phone is now separated, so I'm going to move that to the side, and now I have to remove the camera and the earphone. This is the piece I need right here, and this is the old screen. So this is the new screen, and before really attaching it to the phone, I am going to test it out first. These grooves. I'm just showing you guys my setup and how I had each screwdriver beside each screw. These screws were so small and I did not want to lose them, so I was very careful with putting them to the side beside the right tool, so when it came time to putting it back together, it would be a breeze. Okay, I think they are properly attached. So now I'm going to turn the phone on, and hopefully it turns on. So I'm just going to play around different apps to make sure the touch screen works. This around and upside down, and I'm going to use this again and just pop it off. Install this on here. We are going to add the gasket adhesive first to make sure it actually fits my phone. That's what it looks like. I had it upside down. Now I'm going to push this down like this all around the phone. Okay, see, I had to remove this, which makes perfect sense. I didn't look the same. Okay, now you use this and push down on the sides. Even on that side right there, isn't it? So push it down on the sides. Making sure it really sticks. It's like refusing to stick on this side. So I don't know if I was supposed to pull up the old adhesive that was on there. There we go. Now it's sticking. We are going to connect the cables, so I am working upside down again. The new screen is attached to the phone, so now I'm putting everything back together. I'm going to speed this part up, but I'm not going to skip over any of the steps. Now that we have those in there, we are going to flip this over like this and push the screen down. Now we're going to turn it back on. And I still have the plastic on here. We're going to leave that on here. Still going to push it down to make sure it's securely stuck in there. We're going to play around with the phone again just to make sure that it works. So we're going to go to YouTube. Okay guys, I think everything is looking pretty good. So the last thing I have to do is put these two screws in. I'm going to add this on here to protect my new screen. I'm going to remove that. And I'm going to get this cloth and just wipe it down. And there you go. It wasn't the smoothest application. I think I can always try to remove this and put a new one on there, but what matters is that I have a new screen and my phone still works. I save money replacing my own screen. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you learned something new. Don't forget to thumbs up this video and give me and leave me a comment down below. Make sure you subscribe if you have not already, and I'll talk to you in the next